Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Chrome is redirecting to unwanted sites and you facing Chrome redirect problem, then please watch this video. So search for Chrome before anything else and open Chrome. Click on the three dots at the top right corner, select extension and manage extensions. Make sure to disable all extensions to isolate the case, and if that helps, then start removing the extensions one by one to isolate the main cause of the issue. This helps. Then click on these three dots, select, scroll down, select settings. Now go to reset settings, click on restore settings to the original defaults, and then reset settings. Okay, so this is what can be done from your end. If this doesn't help, then you can also run the malware removal tool. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and click on MRT. This will open the malware removal tool in a few seconds. Click on next, full scan, next, and let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.